Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.14.4, the last lesson of the week of the first week of quarter 2, year 1 of English lessons with Maestro Sersea. So, today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English video lesson 14 of 52. So the directions are for you to click on this link. And first we watch and practice along with the speaking practice video. It's only about 5 minutes 39 seconds. I suggest you watch this video and practice with it 2 or 3 times. The next video is pronunciation practice video. It's only 1 minute 24 seconds, so please make sure you watch this video and practice with it 2 or 3 times as well. Then you have the dialogue, and as you can see, the dialogue is pretty long. So the first thing you do is you listen to the dialogue being read to you and you follow along. You click play on the audio player.
Hi there. In Washington, D.C., people do many things in the evening. They go listen to music. They eat at a restaurant. They go to the theater.
So after you're finished listening and reading along with this, if there are any parts here that you still don't understand very well, don't worry, you can go to the Translate section, click on the button that represents your primary language, and reread this dialogue in your primary language so you can understand it better. Okay? Part 4, you have the whole lesson video here. It's only about 5 minutes long. So watch this video about 2 times. Okay? After you watch the video 2 times, then you take the how about this lesson 14 online quiz, and you click on this, and as you can see, there are 4 questions. Here's the first one. Which clothes are too casual?
Awesome! How about jeans and a t-shirt? No! Jeans and a t-shirt are too casual.
Okay, so which clothes are too casual? A t-shirt and jeans are too casual, so we click here. Okay, and then we have the next questions, and we click here to go to the next question. So, students, this is it. This was the lesson for today. Okay, and again, if you want to leave a message, you can simply leave a reply, a comment, and let us know what you learned, how you did on your quiz. Write your name, the email, and then click post comment here. Thank you so much for working so hard. I'm really proud of you. Enjoy the weekend, and you will get another set of 4 lessons in about a week.